Welcome to Mike's Tech Show. Today we got a couple little reviews for you. First up is the Samsung Galaxy Active X2 smartwatch. Got it right here, and this is the outside of the box. Got some specs and legal stuff there on the side. Nothing on that side. Got a bit more about the device. Got a heart rate monitor. It's very good for tracking your health and doing things like that if you're going to go out and go jogging or just any type of exercising. It's a great watch to do that. So let's take a look and dive right in. You got the watch there. I've got some of your paperwork right here. You just got some of your information, some of your legal information in here. You can actually get into it. So just some of your legal information, quick start guide, and legal information about the watch. You know, just the everyday thing you find in just about every product out there. Nothing much else in there. And then right here, you've got the watch. Let's go ahead and pull it out and see what it looks like. Here's the watch. We'll set that aside for just 1 second. And right in here is your wireless charger. You know, the wireless charger there, and great little device to charge it, put it on your nightstand or whatever. And we'll just kind of give that out of the way for a minute and take a look at the watch here. So this is the Samsung Galaxy Active X2. I decided to get the 44mm. You can also get it in 42mm. There's all your sensors on the back. You've got your heart rate monitor and the ECG sensor, which is not active yet. You're also able to change the watch bands. Hope to get a few of those. Well, let's power this on and see what it does. Again, you can pick these up in two variants. You have the Wi-Fi only, which is usually $299 for the 44mm, or you can get the LTE version, which is $349. The smaller version is about $50 less in the same two categories, either Wi-Fi or LTE. And I chose the bigger size. I like the bigger size on my wrist. Alright, and there we go. There's the first wallpaper right there. Have a nice little touchscreen bezel right through here that you can go through your different pages. You have your workout page, a weather page, and all these different little things. You can go through here and just change your watch face at any time you want by holding that down and picking the watch faces you want, whichever one you want to download. But basically, this is it right here. This is the unboxing of the Samsung Galaxy Active 2 watch.